living and non-living things. This is the first chapter of our science textbook. Within the previous lesson, we learned about living things, and today we will discuss about non-living things. Objectives for today's lesson are to identify the main features of non-living things, to recognize various non-living things in surroundings. Alright children, as you know that within the previous lesson we discussed about living things, and today we will discuss about non-living things. There are so many things in our surroundings. Around yourself you can find so many things. Some of these are living things and some are non-living things. Non-living things do not need air, they do not need food, and they do not need water because they are not alive. They do not need anything to live. Moving ahead with the main features of non-living things. Non-living things do not eat food. If you observe the given pictures, some non-living things are given over here. House, ball, pencil, scissor, and even water. All these are non-living things and they do not eat food. They do not need any food. Well, next main feature of non-living things is non-living things do not move. Observe the given pictures. There are some pictures given of your toys. They cannot move on their own, but they move with the help of some batteries. Non-living things move with the help of some other force. If you see the vehicles moving on the road, like cars, buses, vans, all these move with the help of fuel. So non-living things cannot move on their own. Alright, moving ahead towards two more important features of non-living things. Non-living things do not breathe. Non-living things do not grow. As non-living things do not breathe, so they do not need air. And non-living things never grow. They remain the same in shape and size. Non-living things do not grow. If you observe some of the non-living things around, like books, notebooks, bags, sofa, table, chair, cupboard, none of these things breathe. They do not need air. None of these things change in shape or size. They remain the same always. Another important main feature of non-living things is they do not have young ones. If you see the given pictures, your toys like teddy bear, Barbie, Superman, even table, chair, house, all these are non-living things. They cannot reproduce. They cannot have young ones. Alright, now this is the time to watch a relevant video of non-living things. We have done the main features of non-living things. Try to relate all those details with the video and note down the main points as well.
Non-living things. What are non-living things? There are some things that do not need air, water, and food. They do not move by themselves, grow, or have babies. Some of them can be seen in the picture below. Circle them using a red color pencil. These things are called non-living things. The world around us is made up of both living and non-living things.
Okay children, after discussing the important features of non-living things, let's do an activity. Look at the given picture carefully. There are so many things given over here. Some are living things, some are non-living things. You need to sort out the names of non-living things from the given picture. Very easy. Take your time. Well, let's come up with the answers. This is book, car, laptop, flower, mug, pencil, jug, chair, clock, and head. Hope your answers matched with this. Well done. Good job. Moving on with another interesting activity. Assignment number 2. Look at the given pictures, the butterfly and the pencil case. Which one of these do not move and breathe? Just think about it. Yes, stationary items and the case cannot move and breathe, while butterfly can move and it can breathe as well. For the next question, we have two pictures over here, books and a child reading a book. Which one of these do not eat and grow? Take your thinking time. Yes, books. These do not eat and these do not grow, while a child can eat and grows. Alright students, let's recap the main points of today's lesson. As the topic for today is non-living things, and we discussed the main features of non-living things. 5 main features of non-living things are: they do not move, they do not breathe, they do not eat, they do not grow, they do not have young ones. If you look at the given pictures of non-living things like table, brush, car, bicycle, toys, you can relate all these main features of non-living things with these examples. I hope that the main features of non-living things have been clarified. Moving ahead towards assignment number 3, which is a written task. Question number 1. List 3 non-living things found in your home. And question number 2. A truck can move on the road, but it is not a living thing. Why? Both of these questions are taken from page number 9 of textbook, which are given in question number 3 part B and C. Alright, hope the lesson was interesting and you are not left with any confusion. Coming towards the reinforcement task, you need to reinforce living and non-living things from page number 5 of textbook, as both of these topics will be discussed within the upcoming lesson for the next week. You take care.